Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: a 5G-capable SIM and an active 5G plan with your carrier, because without those, you can't register on 5G towers. Once done, open Settings, go to Connections, then SIM card and mobile network. This takes you straight to radio options. Make sure Wi-Fi is off or Wi-Fi calling disabled temporarily, since some carriers prefer switching radios when Wi-Fi calling is active. Now you're ready to change the preferred network type. You tap the SIM used for mobile data, then enter mobile network settings to reach preferred network type. This is where Realme exposes the 5G option. Select the 5G or 5G/4G/3G/2G auto profile so the phone prioritizes 5G when available. After changing the setting, toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then off, to force the modem to re-register on the network. This refresh helps the phone find nearby 5G cells faster. You finish by verifying the status bar shows a 5G icon and then run a quick speed test to confirm higher throughput. This proves the switch worked. If you don't see 5G, make sure your account is provisioned for 5G and that you're in a coverage area, because settings alone won't create signal. Make one last attempt. Reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. If problems continue, contact your carrier for provisioning checks. Explain you changed the preferred network type and need radio registration assistance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.